guys, my name is Shrikantidam and welcome to SedamTechie channel. So today we are going to discuss about the process monitor, which is also called as Procmon. Okay, so this tool will help us to monitor active process which are running in the background. So using Task Manager, you can find what are the process running in the background. But if you want more information in detail like PID, registry path, if the process is active or not, so when exactly it started and what are the DLL files related to it, okay, you can find it here and you can use filter option as well. So process monitor is a tool on Windows systems that help you monitor for issues on your system. You can view registry, file system, process and network activity in real time. So to download the process monitor, open your browser. In Google, type process monitor and you will get a first link from Microsoft. Click on it. So this is the latest version which we have for the process monitor. So here we have little information about the process monitor, how it works, and these are the features. So when you launch process monitor, it will look like this. So here we have a download option. Click on it and you can download it on your machine. So I already downloaded it. Okay, you have to click on it and it will open the process monitor. So this is how process monitor will look. So what is the use of it? So for example, so process monitor, this is the process name, and this process, so you can know the process when exactly it started and if it's active or not. You can know the PID of the process and registry path and result if it is success or failed. And you can include or exclude the running process. You can include 32-bit process or 64-bit process here, and you can check the process tree as well, and you can bookmark the process. Mhm. And you can search online as well. So let me show you in detail how to use it. So here we have many process running right now. So currently we have like 1,66 process running, and out of 159 loaded process here. So for example, this is a process monitor which is running right now and it is started at 140. Okay, and we are able to open this process successfully. Okay, now if I want to save this log, you simply have to click on file and click on save, or else you can click on this icon and you can save it. Here you can save this in three formats: PML, so that is a default process monitor log format, and you can save it in other formats as well, CSV and XML. You can give the path where you want to save it. So you can see Procmon log. This log name is called as Procmon log. The extension will be PML. And this option is used for to open the saved logs. Okay. So now if I want to know, if I want to capture, if I want to clear all this, and again I want to capture all the active process, simply I have to click on clear. So it cleared. It's loading. Okay. It cleared again. It started loading the process. Like if I want to scroll down, I have to do it manually, right? But if I want to auto scroll, I can use this option. So it will scroll the process automatically. If I want to stop, I have to click on it again. So here we have filter option. So using filter option, like we can include what are the process running. It will show only only that process. For example, if I want to show only 32-bit process, click on OK. So on this machine, these are the process which are running into 32-bit. Again, click on it. So I don't want 32-bit. I want 64-bit process which is running right now. So these are the process which are running in 64-bit. Here we have many options as well. So depending upon the requirement, you can select any one of them and you can do it. For example, if I select PID and include, so I want to search, I want only, for example, I want 1200. I want process related to 1200. Yes. So there are no process related to 1200. We will search for this one, add, apply. Okay. So I have only two processes which are running for with this PID process 1002, and that is related to touchpad, which is related to laptop. Okay, let's include. So I don't want this, so I will remove. I will remove this as well. I will include different process here. First of all, I will reset, apply. Now we will search for the process. So here we have 27272. I want to search only this PID process. 27272. Include, add, apply. Now you can see it is showing us the result only of this PID process. Okay, and that 27272 process is related to process monitor. So using this filter you can include and exclude. So it will exclude process monitor related process and it will show other processes. We have not included any other process here, so that's the reason it is not showing. So we will, so we can include the process name which we want to search. So here we'll search for the Firefox, include process. So before that, let me reset this. Okay. So where is the process path? Firefox and so I included only two processes. Now the other option which we have is called highlight. If you want to highlight any process, you can highlight here. For example, toggle bookmark, it is highlighted. It will be like in bold color. So this process I liked it. So before using this, I have to reset the filter, or else it will not show the result like it did earlier. So I reset it. Now it will show all the process. First of all, I will clear the screen. Now here, for example, using this, I can know the process which is running in the background. So this is a Word document, right? It will show here. So process related to Word document. Now I have Notepad also open. If I select, it will show process related to Notepad. Um, Let me open Hyper-V. Now I will select Hyper-V. So I'm searching in my other monitor. So it is showing as MMC, Microsoft Management Console. So what else I will suggest? I will select Chrome. Okay, where it is. Let me take this to different monitor. Sorry, this one, right? So here we can see Chrome. So it will help us to identify, like a search, the active process using this tool. Okay. Now this is called process tree. So using process tree, you can identify how many processes are running. So under SCV host, like we have total 3 processes running, and this process started when the machine started. You can simply double click on it. It's not showing here. No problem. Only show process still running at the end of the current phase. Okay. So these are all the process started when my machine started, and it is still running. It is in green color. So there will be few processes which are still not running. So you can see this process. It started in middle, but currently it is running in the background. That is the reason it is showing in green color. I will exclude that one. Okay. See, there are many other processes which started in middle. Okay. So this is a useful tool. So this is the path of the image from where exactly it launched. And you can know the process. This process is from Microsoft, this process is from Cisco, and this is from Intel, and this is from Lenovo. You can have the process company name and close this. If I want to add more filters like event properties, just click on Chrome and it will show all the details in event. So this process started on December 3rd at 1:52 p.m. Okay, this is profiling class, and the result is success. We are able to open successfully. So this is the path of the process. Click on close. If I want to search any process which is running in the background, for example, cannot find, we will try to search something else. Notepad.exe. Okay. It's not using. I have to reset maybe again. Okay. Okay. It is here. Notepad.exe. We are able to find it. Find next. Okay. Now there is called jump to object. It's not included. First of all, I will reset the filter. Okay. So here, if I want to know the registry path of this, I just have to select this process and click on jump to. So you can know the registry path. It is present here. If I want to check this one, click on jump to. The same options are present here as well. Include, exclude, highlight, jump to. Okay. If I want to know more details about this process which is running in the background, I just have to select and click on search online. Here you can see it. Okay. I want to know this one. I don't know what process is this. Click on search online. Okay. So this is how you can use this. Here, if I want to exclude the registry, I don't want registry path to be shown here. I have to click on this. Okay. The registry filter is excluded from here. The column is not there. I want only Windows file activity. See, you can see here. So if I want to know the process or thread activity, I click on this related to process. It's showing here. I can exclude the file activity. So this is related to network. If I want profiling events, we can click on it. So whatever you want in the column, okay, in the search list, you have to click on this. If you want to register a file activity or network activity, it will show here. So these are all related to networks. If I click on it, it will be not there. Okay, it's excluded now. So depending upon your requirement, you can search accordingly. So one more thing I want to show, process activity summary. If you want to know which process is consuming more resource, see, you can get PID, CPU, file events, the input output of the file, registry event, how much it is consuming, and bytes. You can simply click on this. It will show the memory usage and if it is consuming any network. Okay, you will get a graph of this. So this one consumed 100 MB. You can close on it. So there is no activity from the Intel CP HD. If there is an activity, it will show it in a graphical way. So only one time it ran, and the time is 154. The total registry operations are 16. So we will check something else here. So Windows Explorer, there should be a lot of activity. The activity is from the registry, and we can see little graph and anything else we can find. Chrome. hmm Firefox. Yes. So this is how you can use this, and you can use command line as well. So this is about process tree or Procmon. So I believe this is useful to you now. So in case if you have any doubts or if you want to know any more tools, you can comment. We can work on it. So thank you for watching, guys. Please do like and share and subscribe. Meet you next class.